Fresh pumpkin milk production is a modern food manufacturing process that transforms naturally grown pumpkins into a smooth, nutritious, and shelf-stable beverage through a carefully controlled industrial system. The journey begins in open agricultural fields where pumpkins are cultivated under monitored conditions. Farmers select pumpkin varieties known for their rich orange flesh, natural sweetness, and high beta-carotene content. When the pumpkins reach full maturity, harvesting is carried out either manually or with mechanical harvesters, ensuring that the fruits are collected intact, without cracks or bruises that could compromise quality. Once harvested, the pumpkins are transported to the processing facility in large crates or bulk containers. Upon arrival, they undergo an initial inspection to remove damaged or underripe produce. The selected pumpkins are then transferred onto automated conveyor belts, where the first stage of industrial processing begins. High-pressure water jets and rotating brush systems wash the pumpkins thoroughly, removing soil, dust, and surface contaminants. This washing stage is critical to food safety, as it prepares the raw material for further handling in a hygienic environment. After cleaning, the pumpkins enter a sorting and grading system. Optical sensors and size graders evaluate each pumpkin based on weight, diameter, and external appearance. Only pumpkins that meet strict quality standards proceed to the next stage. Rejected pumpkins may be diverted for other uses, such as animal feed or composting, ensuring minimal waste in the production chain. The approved pumpkins are then sent to automated cutting and peeling machines. These machines slice the pumpkins open, remove the hard outer rind, and separate the seeds from the flesh. The seeds are often collected as a valuable byproduct and may be processed separately for oil extraction or roasting. The bright orange pumpkin flesh continues along the production line, where it is chopped into uniform pieces to ensure even cooking and consistent texture. Next, the pumpkin pieces undergo a controlled cooking process. They are conveyed into large steam cookers or continuous blanching systems, where heat softens the flesh and deactivates natural enzymes. This step enhances flavor, improves digestibility, and prepares the pumpkin for efficient blending. Cooking parameters such as temperature and time are carefully regulated to preserve nutrients while achieving the desired softness. Once cooked, the pumpkin is transferred to industrial blenders or pulping machines. Here, the softened flesh is mechanically crushed into a smooth pumpkin puree. This puree forms the base of pumpkin milk. The puree is passed through fine mesh filters or homogenizers to remove fibrous particles, ensuring a creamy, uniform consistency suitable for a beverage product. At this stage, purified water is added to the pumpkin puree in precise ratios. Depending on the product formulation, additional ingredients such as sugar, plant-based milk, dairy milk, stabilizers, or natural flavor enhancers may be introduced. The mixture is thoroughly blended in large stainless steel mixing tanks. Continuous agitation ensures that all components are evenly distributed, creating a smooth and balanced pumpkin milk base. The blended pumpkin milk then undergoes homogenization. High-pressure homogenizers break down remaining fat and solid particles into microscopic sizes, preventing separation and improving mouthfeel. This step is essential for achieving the silky texture expected in commercial pumpkin milk products. Following homogenization, the milk is subjected to heat treatment for safety and shelf stability. This is typically done through pasteurization or ultra-high temperature processing, UHT. In pasteurization, the milk is heated to a specific temperature for a defined period to eliminate harmful microorganisms. In UHT processing, the milk is heated to a much higher temperature for a very short time, allowing the final product to be stored at room temperature without preservatives. After heat treatment, the milk is rapidly cooled and transferred to aseptic filling systems. These systems operate in sterile environments to prevent contamination. The milk is filled into cans, cartons, or bottles, depending on the packaging format. Automated filling machines measure precise volumes, ensuring consistency across every unit. Once filled, the containers are immediately sealed to maintain freshness and sterility. methods vary depending on packaging type, but are always designed to create an airtight closure. Each package is then printed or labeled with product information, including nutritional details, production date, and batch codes for traceability. The sealed pumpkin milk packages move through final inspection stations. Vision systems and quality control sensors check for leaks, improper seals, or labeling errors. Approved products are packed into cartons or trays and stacked onto pallets using robotic systems. Finally, the packaged pumpkin milk is transferred to storage areas or distribution centers. From there, it is shipped to retailers and consumers around the world. Through this carefully controlled process, fresh pumpkins are transformed into a nutritious, convenient pumpkin milk beverage, combining agricultural tradition with advanced food processing technology to deliver quality, safety, and consistency in every package.